Kelsey and Kendra, and today we're going to be sharing with you guys how to do a wash and go but a quicker way. We discovered a quicker way to do our wash and goes collectively, and we've partnered with Pantene to do this video for you guys. So thanks so much Pantene for sponsoring this video. I was really excited to bring this video to you guys because, as we all know as natural girls, when you hear wash and go, if you're new to a wash and go, you really think that it's quick. Yeah. Because wash and go literally sounds like it's supposed to be convenient. Yeah. But over the years, all of our routines have been very elaborate. Like there's shampoo, there's conditioning, there's deep conditioning, there's leave-in, there's styler. So co-washing if you do co-wash and you don't shampoo. So there's a lot of elements to a perfect wash and go, and we just figured out this way is a lot quicker. You can still do your elaborate wash and goes, but if you need to be somewhere like in a rush, this is the perfect way to do your wash and goes and still have your hair come out really nice, healthy, and defined. Yeah, because we don't always have time to section. So Kendra and I are going to be sharing with you guys how we cocktail the Pantene Gold Series products our way, because we did use some of the same products but some different as well. Okay, so the first key step to making this routine a lot more manageable and easier is deep conditioning first. So I actually dry deep conditioned my hair. I actually applied the Pantene Gold Series repairing mask first before I even went to the sink to co-wash my hair. So I usually do this step like second or third in my routine, but I decided to do it first this time just to get my hair to start detangling easier before I even went to the sink, because a lot of people's nightmare is detangling. Like it takes so long, and I just figure why not apply the deep conditioner to my hair dry. So I did that first, and then when I got to the sink, I co-washed with the Pantene Gold Series Deep Hydrating Co-Wash. This basically feels like a conditioner. It's the perfect step if you don't want to shampoo and condition in two separate steps, and it cleanses the hair without stripping it of its natural oils, but it also works like a really good conditioning step, like a regular conditioner. So I massaged it into my scalp and I finger raked it through the rest of my hair. So after I was done co-washing, I went in with the Pantene Gold Series Moisture Boost Conditioner. And you guys are probably thinking, obviously, Kendra, you condition your hair after you wash it. But no, I actually use this as my leave-in. So I put this in my hair as if I was conditioning, but I actually applied a lot more product because I planned on leaving it in. After squeezing out the excess water, I applied this to my hair when it was still wet, and that's the key to getting defined curls that are going to be frizz-free as well. You want to make sure your hair is wet, and that was the best part about this new way to wash and go. When you're at the sink the whole time, you don't have to worry about like water dripping everywhere or like the mess pretty much, because you're doing everything at the sink. If you're a shower girl, when you do your hair, you can also do this in the shower, but I like the sink. So I applied the conditioner all over my hair, kind of a lot, because I'm pretty heavy-handed with my products. I have a lot of hair and it's really thick, and this did a really good job at detangling my hair, but also keeping it really moisturized. Like this feels like a deep conditioner. It's really nice. I finger raked it all through my hair, and I kind of separated it into two sections. So you can customize the amount to how much product your hair needs. I need a lot, so as you can see, I used a lot of the conditioner. So once I was done applying the conditioner, making sure that was nice and penetrated and saturated into my hair, as my styler, I used the Pantene Gold Series Hydrating Buttercream. Now this product is like the most moisturizing product that I own pretty much. When I hear the word buttercream, I was like, yeah, I'm sure it's creamy and buttery like the name. But it's super thick, so this is really good if you have a super thick texture and you need a lot of extra moisture. So I applied this just as I did the conditioner on each side of my head, making sure that it's all over my hair, not missing a spot, because you don't want a frizzy section that's ruining your whole wash and go. And after I was done applying this, I scrunched it. As we all know, that's like one of the key steps to a good wash and go. You want to scrunch it to get the most out of your curl pattern. And the buttercream did a really good job at defining my hair, but still maintaining the moisture that I got from the conditioner. I feel like this added an extra boost of moisture. So you can never get enough moisture when it comes to natural hair. I love these products because they feel like they're not sitting on top of the hair. They feel like they're penetrating like inside the hair cuticle, which is good because I always like anything that's making my hair feel healthy and not weighed down. So of course, after I was done scrunching my hair, I just air dried and this is pretty much what I came out with, and it's super defined and super soft.
Yeah, it is.
Like, it's so soft. Usually when I'm done air drying my hair, I have to get like an oil to like scrunch out like the crunch in the hair, or like the cast. If I'm using any kind of styler, pretty much, no matter what kind of styler I use, I always have to scrunch it with some kind of oil. But I didn't have to do that. It was already soft once it was done drying. So this is the perfect routine if you're looking for that extra moisture and you're someone who doesn't really like that crunchy look, or you don't need something that's like leaving your hair really hard. You want like a nice soft wash and go but still defined. I feel like this is perfect. And I'm going to start doing this more when I'm in a rush, because I've never done my hair at the sink. Kelsey tried it first, and I was like, wait, your hair looks presentable.
You're onto something.
Maybe I should try that, and it worked. So I'm going to be doing this a lot more often. Okay, so mine is kind of similar to Kendra's. I kind of did the same thing with like being at the sink, and I deep conditioned beforehand. I actually got that part from Kendra, so that's why I said we collectively came up with this, because Kendra started dry deep conditioning, and I was like, I'm gonna try that, and then I started doing my wash and goes at the sink, and then Kendra was like, I'm gonna try that.
Right.
So we just came up with this together. So to cocktail with the Pantene Gold Series products, I first used, of course, the co-wash. Like Kendra, I used the Pantene Gold Series Deep Hydrating Co-Wash. And like Kendra said, it's super moisturizing, and it cleanses your hair without stripping it of its natural oils. So I did first use this, and after I rinsed out, of course, the deep conditioner and the co-wash, I went in and started styling my hair. So the first product that I applied was the Pantene Gold Series Leave-On Detangling Milk, and I used this to prep my hair before I put in my styler. And I really like this because it's super hydrating, but it's like really lightweight. So this is perfect for my girls who don't really like heavy products or don't need heavier products. This is light but still hydrating at the same time. It's kind of like a milky consistency, hence the name Detangling Milk. So I did apply this to each side of my hair very generously. I used a lot. Like Kendra said, we're very heavy-handed when it comes to products. So if you're using this on a wash and go, you can use as much as you want because it will not weigh your hair down because it's so lightweight. So I used a lot on each side of my hair. And then after I was done applying the detangling milk to each side of my head, I then went in with my styler, which was the Pantene Gold Series Moisture Boost Conditioner. And you guys know Kendra and I have always been advocates for using conditioners as stylers, rinse out conditioners as stylers, because they give really good hold and moisture at the same time. It's like a 2-in-1. It's like the perfect buffet of a product. So Kendra and I have been doing this for years, and it has not hurt our hair at all. And the Pantene products are really good to do this with as well, because you won't feel guilty if you're a curly girl leaving in a conditioner, because this is sulfate free, paraben free, and dye free. So it's safe to leave in your hair as a styler. So I used a ton of this as well as my styler. I drowned my hair in this to make sure I get nice, bouncy, defined curls. And it added an extra boost of moisture to my hair because, like I said, the detangling milk is really lightweight. So as you can see, this conditioner is a very versatile product because Kendra used it as her leave-in and I used it as my styler. So you can use it for both. So you can just use this if you do a wash and go and then go on about your day and air dry. So this is like a perfect all-around product to do a quick wash and go. Okay, so that's it for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. Let us know in the comments below what you guys are going to be mixing to cocktail your wash and goes, and if you're going to be trying out this new way to wash and go that Kelsey and I tried out. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.